Here we are at the Seagull Shop, another place to watch the sunset, next to some kid's gonna be disappointed. The Pemaquid Point Lighthouse. Nice restaurant there. And welcome to the North Atlantic. Whoa! Somebody ought to fix that. Oh, it is cold and windy. This is the coldest 60 degrees I have ever felt. Yes, yes. Okay, this is when where I land on my buttocks. Oh, that's wet. The spray is coming. The spray is coming. That's the wife. Wave, honey. She's taking my picture instead. Then pan back to the lighthouse. Perfect. So this is stuff from the ocean that is washed up this far. Oh. Okay, how do I do this without getting wet? Without falling? I gotta pose for a picture. Not yet. I gotta wait for a good one and then do my John Travolta pose for my wife. Gotta get ready. Alright, this will be a good one to pose for. Oh, I felt the spray on that one. I felt the spray from that one. Alright, I was just about to go stand on those rocks. Let me rethink this. Oh. Maybe some higher ground. We'll get to higher ground. I'm sure the camera is wet now, as my pants are. As my glasses are. Hang on, I got a cleaning cloth in my pocket. Here comes a good one. Something tastes salty. Oh, it's cold and windy. Or maybe because I'm wet. The North Atlantic never ceases to amaze me. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Alright, this is it. Piece of rope from a lobster pot. Colors of the sunset, but still get a decent view. got a good one coming. Got a couple good ones coming. Run away! Run away! Oh, the spray. One more good one. Here we go. Look out. Head for high grounds. I almost can't even see anymore. There's so much rain. There's so much ocean on my glasses. That's a lot of white. All right, the battery's gonna die soon. There's a good chance I could too. Let me show a little bit of self-restraint. And here we go, one last one. The only problem is I gotta go towards it to get out of here. Another big one coming. Holy cow, this is a big one. One more after that. Looking for a rest, I can run through them.